One of the reasons I decided to work on this project was doing some research into the background of how youth use transportation besides cars, things like walk paths, bike paths, transit system. And there's a fair amount of research that shows the habits that we develop as youth grow into us as adults. So if we can target and get youth starting to use things like the transit system, then they'll be more likely to use it as adults, and that actually helps create a more livable, sustainable city and environment for all of us, not just because of pollutant reasons, but frees up commute times and just makes it a more engaging community for everybody. Hopefully, whatever we discover in Portland, they'll be able to apply to other cities around Oregon and around the nation. One of the interesting things about this project is we're actually looking at non-traditional ways to communicate with youth. So we were very interested in things besides just the traditional posters or billboards that may or may not be really engaging youth. So this project actually looks at how to use text and mobile-based communication, and it looks at the efficacy of using that to outreach to youth, which studies show that more and more youth are getting smartphones and using mobile phones for their main source of internet and engaging in these types of text and graphic mobile campaigns at a larger rate. So we're going to be looking at how transportation, which might be normally seen as a bit of a dry, maybe uninteresting area to hear about, how we can make it more accessible and interesting for youth through this technology.